show you the directions to get to Tesco's RDC Doncaster. This particular version, I am taking the M18 and I'm coming off at junction 3. It's about 5 minutes from this junction, maybe a little bit longer depending on traffic obviously. This slip road here, the slip road off onto junction 3 during peak times is very, very busy. This is early in the morning, so as you can see it's clear. So we're just aiming for Doncaster Robin Hood Airport A6182. We will be taking the left turn at the roundabout, so we're going to pick up this left lane, so it's Doncaster North. This particular depot, this RDC, it's Tesco's, you don't need to have paperwork. You just need your booking reference, which you will book in at the screens as you enter. They normally ask for whether it's ambient, chilled, frozen, and it will give you an option of temperatures to tick. Fairly standard Tesco's fare. They'll give you the bay, find the bay, keys into the driver's waiting room, where you'll be asked to put them in a key locker, put your bay number, your registration number, the other way around actually, registration first then bay number, put a little automated door will open, you will retrieve, you put your keys in and then retrieve a fob, keep the fob with you, keep your eye on computer screens telling you when your load is tipped, then obviously replace the key fob in your door number, get your keys and leave site the way you came in. Normally, even when busy, not too bad. Sort of looking 45 minutes to an hour if everything goes well. Typical Tesco's waiting room, nothing special at all. So we're going to turn left at these lights, heading for the race course. McDonald's is directly in front. You're going to be turning left, not this first left. Following stadium racecourse signs on the 6182. We're not that far away now. You have Pizza Hut, Costco, KFC, B&M all on the right here. It's basically behind them. So up this bit of dual carriageway to the next island, where we will be turning right. Get over onto the right hand lane because it can get a bit busy with fast traffic and they don't tend to let you out. Up to the island. I think it's the third exit. It's the car industrial estate. Also has stadium on the sign. Yeah, it's third exit. And then as you enter the industrial estate, Tesco's is immediately on your right. Aim for the screw fix directly in front, and the entrance is just on the bend where that truck is turning now. That's where you were going. Be careful because it's quite a narrow entrance. It's also an exit. It's not the only exit, but it is an exit. You have speed bumps. That's my camera sensors picking up pedestrians. Yeah, so make your way over the speed bumps. You can see how narrow it gets with the bollarded area. You just basically wait your turn, put your information in on the screens. There's a left and a right screen. Sometimes one of the screens is out. So it gives you options normally for your temperature. So say for instance 0 to 2 +2 degrees, and then +2 to 6 degrees, something like that. Frozen. It gives you the option as you go through the screen. Just follow the information and then it will give you your bay number, and everything is to the right as you go through the barriers. Chilled is more or less immediately on your right. Now as you go round, there's about, I don't know, 10 bays perhaps, and the driver's waiting room is on the right, just at the end of the bays. Frozen is further round, but it's easy to follow. Just look for the numbers. Okay, so this is Tesco's Doncaster RDC. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, press the like and the bell notification button. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm, which pushes my videos to make them more viewable, as it were, more able for more people to see them. I'm only a small channel. Much appreciated. Again, catch you later.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
So I've booked in. I'm on bay 73, which is immediately to the right. waiting room. It's just here on the right hand side as well.